Hey everyone! Ever wondered what happens to your body when you eat cucumbers daily? Well, you're in for a treat. Let's dive into the refreshing world of cucumbers and uncover their amazing benefits and some things to watch out for. First off, cucumbers are hydration heroes. With a whopping 95 to 96% water content, munching on these green gems can seriously boost your hydration levels. Staying hydrated is crucial for overall health, so grab a cucumber and quench that thirst. Next up, let's talk about skin health. Cucumbers are packed with vitamin C and caffeic acid, which can soothe skin irritations and reduce swelling. Plus, those B vitamins are fantastic for scalp and hair health. So if you want glowing skin and luscious locks, cucumbers are your new best friend. Ever had digestion issues? Say goodbye to constipation. Cucumbers are a great source of fiber, promoting regular bowel movements and keeping your digestive system happy. And guess what? Cucumbers can help with weight management too. They're low in calories and high in water content, making them a perfect snack for those looking to shed a few pounds. Snack away without the guilt. Let's not forget heart health. Regular consumption of cucumbers can contribute to a healthier heart. And for those watching their blood sugar levels, cucumbers might even help regulate them. Who knew these humble veggies could do so much? But like everything, cucumbers have their potential side effects. Some folks might experience bloating and flatulence due to the fiber content. And if you're prone to allergies, cucumbers might cause skin and oral reactions. If you're on anti-diabetic meds, be cautious. Cucumbers can lower your blood sugar levels, which might not always be a good thing. And let's talk about cucurbitacins, compounds in cucumber skin that can cause indigestion, bloating, and in some cases, diarrhea, nausea, and vomiting. Lastly, eating too many cucumbers can strain your kidneys and heart due to their high potassium and water content. So moderation is key. To get the most out of cucumbers without the side effects, consider eating them in moderation and maybe even peeling and deseeding them. And if you experience any persistent issues, it's always a good idea to consult a doctor. In conclusion, cucumbers can be a fantastic addition to your diet when enjoyed in moderation. So go ahead, add some crunch to your meals and reap the benefits of this refreshing superfood. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips. Stay healthy, everyone.